Mama Mary is actually my mother. Dad was preaching on the reservation just a little bit north of Albuquerque, and that's where Mama was taught how to make the Navajo fry bread. My name is Linda Moody-Ivey, and I'm the owner of Mama Mary's Navajo Taco here in Willard, Missouri. Even though it has a Mexican flavor, it is still something different, and the fry bread is like something you've never had, and that just lends to the overhauled taste. It's more like a down-home style cooking. And I tell everybody we build it like a pizza, but it tastes like a taco. The best way to explain it. We do it old style, kind of by hand, where you're pulling it into a round disc, and that's what you drop into the oil. Then they're topped with refried beans, seasoned ground beef, then lettuce, cheese, homemade salsa, tomatoes, green onions. If you're looking for a unique type of dining experience, come give Mama Mary's Navajo Taco a try. I guarantee you it will be a different tasting taco.